Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mike from Das Trucks here with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current and active inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you like what you're seeing today, hit that like button. Today's truck is a 2017 International DuraStar 4300. It's got 26,068 miles. Now everything in this truck has been addressed. We'll start off with the tires here. These wheels have been repainted. These tires are also brand new. A lot of tread left on those, a lot of life. The steps here have been repainted, as well as that box. It's in great condition. It's also been repainted. Now coming down to the chassis over here, this chassis has been repainted with anti-rust chassis saver paint. Of course, this is to keep any old rust from getting any bigger and any new rust from forming. Coming back over here. Should get the tires back here. It's got a 50-gallon tank. All right, checking out the back here inside the box. Now this box does have a set of E-tracks. Nice and clean. This truck has been thoroughly inspected and detailed. All the fluids and filters are brand new. Chassis under here. So you can see that sticker on the tire. Now liftgate installation is very doable. Calls for pricing, and that front bumper right there has been repainted. All right, checking out the interior. It's in very good condition. No rips or tears on these seats over here. Running inside, it has been thoroughly detailed, as I've said. Alrighty, let's start her up. Mileage here. $261,069 miles now. No lights on the dash. Let's check out the engine. Alrighty, this truck does have a 6.7 liter Cummins ISB inline 6 engine. Check out the other side. Now these engines can last you 800,000 miles with proper care. That's why it's so important to get that preventative maintenance in there. All right, and that'll wrap it up for today's 2015 International DuraStar 4300. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, the link to our website will be in the description below, as well as our phone number. As always, thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a good one.